Hello everyone, welcome. In a previous lecture, we have discussed some basic concept related to three-dimensional geometry. Before watching this video, you have to watch my lecture first and second. I will give you that link on my description. Okay? And in this lectures, we will solve some question. And the question is on if the lines makes angle 90 degree, 135, 45 with x, y and z axis respectively, find its directions cosine. That means we have a three axis. One is what? X, y and z axis. X, y and z axis. Suppose we have a one lines. This one line L. Okay, I have discussed here. The question is given x axis makes angle alpha, y axis makes angle beta, and the z axis makes angle gamma. Okay, z axis makes angle gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma, it is given. What? In the question, it is given alpha equal to 90 degree because the angle max with x axis, it is represented with alpha. So alpha equal to 90 degree and the beta equal to 135. We know, you know very well, beta is an angle with y axis. Okay, this one lines and y axis, and the gamma, it is given what? 45. Okay, gamma is an angle made with the z axis. Alpha, beta, gamma is given. What we have to find? We have to find its directions cosine. We have to find direction cosine. Okay, and the directions cosine, that means we have to find L, M and N value. We have to find these three value we have to find. Okay, so what is the used formula? Used formula, because with the help of formula we will solve now. Okay, in this question. So L, how we will find L? In a lecture first I had discussed this one in lecture first. Okay, L equal to what? Cos alpha, and M equal to what? Cos beta, and N equal to what? Cos gamma. So L equal to, it is given cos alpha, and the alpha is what? 90. So L equal to cos 90, and the value of cos 90 is what? Okay, sin 90 is cos 90 is 0. The value of cos 90 is 0. And the M equal to what? It is a cos beta. This one is a cos beta. Beta is given what? 135. Okay, so you can solve this one. M equal to 135 angles need to change, convert. Okay, little bit. So we can write 180 minus 45. So M equal to what? 180 minus theta equal to what? We know that cos 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. So use formula here. We can write minus cos 45. So the M equal to what? Minus 1 by root 2. So this one value is M, and the N equal to what? N equal to cos gamma. So cos gamma, gamma equal to what? It is 45 degree. So N equal to cos 45, it is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So the directions cosine. So directions cosine are, that means it is given what? 0 minus 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. This one is your answer. And directions cosine you have to write as a sequence. In a sequence L, M, N. So this value is M, this value is N, and this one value of N. So this one is a question. Okay. So these questions you have to remember this one formula. Directions cosine to find the directions cosine. Okay. So this one is the first question, and second questions. Okay, we will solve other remaining question. Suppose the question is given, what if a line has directions relation? Question is, if the line has direction relations ठीक है, डायरेक्शंस रेशियो 2 -1 and -2, 2 -1 and it is -2. Then write its directions cosine. Then write its direction cosines. Okay, what it is given here? Here it is given directions relation. Directions relation, and in a previous lecture I have discussed about the concept this one. So let's try to solve directions relation. Direction relation, it is represented with ABC, and I told also this one is what? This one is real number. That's why here the A equal to what? It is given to B equal to what? -1, C equal to what? -2. So the ABC value are given here. Okay, and we have to find, what we have to find? L, M, N. So we have these three value we have to find. So what formula, used formula here, how we will find? Because on a mathematics, with the help of formula you can solve that one. So on a lecture I have discussed about that. The relations between directions relation and directions cosine is what? L equal to A under root A square plus B square plus C square. M equal to B under root A square plus B square plus C square, and the N equal to what? C under root A square plus B square plus C square. So the ABC, this one is a formula. Okay, with the help of this formula we can solve that question. So try to solve. L equal to what? A, it is given 2, and the root square is what? A square, 2 to the 4, B square -1 square is what? 1, this one 2 to the 4. So we can write L equal to 2 by 4, 4, 8, 1, 9, that is 2 by 3 we can write here. Okay, the M value equal to what? B, B it is given -1, this one value is 3, and the C equal, N equal to what? N equal to C, C equal to -2, and it is given 3. So directions relations are, so direction relations are what? L, M, N, na? First we have to write L 2 by 3, then M -1 by 3, okay, then N -2 by 3. So this one is your answer of the question. Okay, no problem. Like these questions you can solve. Okay now? Okay, so let's try to solve the next question related to the 3-dimension geometry. So here find the directions relations of the directions cosine of the line. You have to find the direction cosines of the line which makes equal angle, which makes equal angle with the coordinate axis, angles with the coordinate axis. coordinate axis. Find the direction of the line which makes equal angle with the coordinate axis. Okay, so actually what is given? It is given like this now. There you go. X, Y, Z. All three axes are given. The question is what directions cosine of the line. What you have to find? Direction cosine, which makes equal angle. Okay, with the coordinate axis. That means, suppose we have one line. Its angle is alpha. This one is beta. This one is gamma. This one is gamma. And here, what it is given? Here is given alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. It is given in the question. Okay, because the angles mix with coordinates. Coordinates, that means x, y and z. So with the x-axis alpha angle, beta, this one is gamma. So all angles are equal. And you have to find directions cosine, that means L, M, N. We have to find L, M, N. So solve this one. Take cos both sides. What we can write? Cos alpha equal to cos beta equal to cos gamma. And we know that directions cosine equal to what? Cos alpha equal to L. This one is M, this one is N. So here it is clear that all three directions cosine are same. What? I don't know. We will find, but the directions cosine are same. Okay. And in a lecture I have explained the relation between L, M, N. Everyone has remember what is the relation of that? The relation is what? L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. This one is a relation. Okay. If you want to see its proof, then you can watch my lecture 2. Lecture number 2. It is useful for you. So L square equal to what? L square equal to, we can write anyone now. L square in the place of M, we can write L square. In the place of N, we can write L square equal to 1. So the 3L square equal to 1. So the L square equal to 1 by 3. And L equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. So L is value is this. So we can say M is also same. L value of this one is equal to M, this one is equal to N. So directions cosine is what? Directions cosines are L, M, N. No? So first value, if you take plus, then it is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. And suppose if you want this one and not, or if you take minus, then 1 by root 3, 1 by minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3. This one is a directions cosine. This one for plus, this one for minus. Okay, so this one is the answer of the question. Okay, to solve the question, it is very easy to solve. Okay, don't take any problems, don't take any tensions. Okay, so easily we can solve all the questions related to the directions cosine. Only you have to remember what? One concept which I have uploaded in the lecture 1st and 2nd. So let's see the remaining topic questions we will solve. Okay, some question I am solving here, and the remaining questions you have to solve, and we will discuss on online classes. Okay, and you have any doubts, then you can comment me on the YouTube also. Okay, the comment features are available. If the lines has directions relations, find the directions relations of a line passing through the point. Question is what? Find the direction ratio of the line. Ratio of the line passing through the point 2 point through the 2 point. One point is what? P. It is given here -2 3 2 -2 3 2, and Q, it is given 2 1 1 2 1 1. Actually what you have to find, you have to find directions relations if the lines are passing through the 2 points. This one is a point PQ, its coordinate x1 y1 z1, it is given -2 3 2, its coordinate x2 y2 z2, it is given what? 2 1 1. And we have to find directions relation, and what we have to find? Okay, directions relation, no? Directions relations, that means A B C. This value you have to find. Okay, if the lines passing through the 2 points, then directions relation how you will find? I have explained in the lecture number 2. You have to watch lecture number 2. Then here the used formula is what? Used formula, it is here. Then what? A equal to, you can find x2 minus x1, and B you can find y2 minus y1, and the C equal to what? z2 minus z1. ABC are given like this. We can find ABC, this one. So the A equal to what? x2 minus x1. This one is what? x1. This one is y1. This one is z1. This one is x2. This one is y2. This one is z2. Okay. So the x2 minus x1 is what? x2 is what? 2. x1 is what? minus 2. So A equal to 2 plus 2. So the A equal to what? 4. And the B equal to what? y2 minus y1. y2 is given 1. y1 is given what? 3. So B equal to -2. And the C equal to what? It is z2 minus z1. C, z2 minus z2 is 1, z1 is 2. So C equal to -1. Okay. So direction ratio are what? ABC equal to sorry 4 minus 2 1. This one is the answer. So everyone, you can find like this, no problems. आप क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करो, यकीन है सॉल्व कर लोगे. ओके, ऑल माय स्टूडेंट्स, स्पेशली आई एम अपलोडिंग दिस वीडियो लेक्चर okay for the students of Ken Memorial English Medium School Sitapur, and the remainings all the students all over the world, all over the India, all over the Chhattisgarh, they can watch this video. Okay, this one is based on NCERT. Okay, so NCERT is what? It is not here only, it is all over the same syllabus. Then every students they can watch, and you will get some useful video. Then you should share with your friends. Okay, so if you want, then you can like, subscribe also. So this one is here. Okay, and the remaining question is what? Many questions you can solve, no problem. Find the directions cosine of the line passing through the 2 points. Find the, I am telling different types of, I am dealing here different types of question. Okay, find directions cosines of the line passing through 2 point. One point is what? P. This point is, it is given -2 4 -2 4 -5 -2 4 -5. This one is a question of NCERT. You can search, no problem. Okay, you can search this one, then you will get same question. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so here is a question. Now how you will find if the lines which are passing through the 2 points PQ, x1 y1 z1 coordinates, x2 y2 z2 coordinates. Okay, and how you have to find directions, cosine and element value. If you want to really you are a good students and you want to get a knowledge, then you should watch my lecture numbers 2 first. In a lecture number 2 I have explained this one, and those students who has already watched, okay, for them it is very good. Okay, so in a lecture number 2 I have explained that what element value, how you can find is the two element now if the lines passing through the 2 points. So the formula is what, actually what is the given, 2 points are given, that means the given is what, this point is what, x1 y1 z1, x1 equal to -2, y1 equal to 4 and the z1 equal to -5, and here x2 equal to 1, y2 equal to 2 and z2 equal to what, 3. Okay, so what we will find, and the used formula, no? Used formula here is what, look everyone, this one is a very useful video lectures, and all over the YouTube, so you will not find like this video. I am teaching you seriously because I believe on serious study, not on a joke, and especially I am teaching a mathematics. Okay, and mathematics and physics and chemistry all are serious subject. Okay, so you have to take enjoy also in study, but not take too much enjoy. Okay, so used formula is L equal to, how you find, x2 minus x1 upon pq, and the n equal to what, y2 minus y1 upon pq, and the n equal to what, z2 minus z1 upon pq. Okay, so first we will find what, pq. This one is a distance formula, no? You can use x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So this one you will find x2. What is the value of x2? 1. x1 is what? Minus 2. Minus minus become plus, so plus 2 whole square. y2 it is what? 2. Minus y1 equal to what? 4 whole square plus z2 equal to what? 3. z1 equal to plus, minus minus become plus